Alright, hi guys, this is Karen Spencer again for BOJ TV. We have been trying to show you as much of the affected areas in Sinsbeth as possible. I see your comments, guys. I'm getting your WhatsApp messages, wanting me to check out certain areas. Do remember that some of the roads are blocked, so some areas we can't go into, but we're trying to go into as many areas as we possibly can. So in this report, we're showing you from Tombstone in Lacovia. We're going to go through to Maggotty via Appleton, those areas, and Siloah up to Balaclava, and back down to River to enter to Wilton. So just giving you a drive through for you to see what's happening. And no persons have been asking about areas like Mountainside and Barber Hall. Persons have asked us about Bullsav. Trying to do as much as we can. So it's July 6th. It's about 9:30 a.m. when we started recording. Alright, so we're giving you a drive through to give you a look at this side of the parish. Okay, so we're going through, we passed Appleton already. Those of you who are familiar with this area will be able to decipher where you are. Right, so we're not seeing a lot of fallen posts this side. Alright, stand corrected right there. Alright, so what we have been seeing is that the further we move away from the coastline back inland is the less damage, obviously. That would be obvious based on the position of Hurricane Beryl when it passed. So we're approaching Newton. Some people call it Newton, some people call it Newton. Right, so these roads are cleared. Not seeing a lot of posts down. Continue to give you a quick drive through. We're driving from Tombstone in Lacovia through Appleton, Newton, to Maggotty, to Siloah, to Bala, and then down through River back to Gilnock, Wilton Main Road right there. We're going to do it as quickly as possible. So relatively okay this side. Alright, so this is Newton Square. We're going to take the left towards Maggotty. We're going to drive past Appleton Estate as well and see what's happening. So I said it's July 6th in the morning. Looking at the damages that Hurricane Beryl would have created in Jamaica. So we're heading to Maggotty side. Alright, so we're just passing the Maggotty hydroelectric station to your right. Alright, we're not even seeing much falling through. Not seeing much falling trees. Alright, so even though we know some amount of clearance of roads took place, okay, still going through, but clear seatbelts. Alright, so we're approaching Maggotty. To your right, that's the police station right there. To your left is the clinic, health service center. So we're approaching the town of Maggotty right here. Minor damage. Just some small amount of trees we saw down just there. No, they must be without water and electricity though. Alright, so we're leaving Maggotty. Gonna go right past Appleton, see what's happening that side. Back that side to Siloah. So, seems as if Maggotty was spared somewhat. We're hearing that they got a lot of breeze, but not a lot of rain. Thanks to God for that. Alright, let's see what's happening this side. Alright, so heading towards Appleton Estate. Some amount of trees went down here, some cleanup activities taking place right here. Nothing major. Alright, so we are now approaching the Appleton Estate. I suspect that the rum tour has been put on hold. Alright, so on your left right there is the Appleton Estate, famous Appleton Estate that now hosts the Joy Spence Appleton rum tour. To your right are some cane fields. Everything seems to be okay this side. We're going to head on here from Appleton Estate to Siloah. Alright, we're going to check out and see what's happening through Siloah. Time won't permit us to go into all the little communities, but we're gonna stay on the main. We have a lot to cover for you today. Roads are relatively empty. Most persons are still just kind of just staying home. You know what I saw for the first time in a long time yesterday? I saw kids in one scheme out playing dandy, shandy and hopscotch because there's no electricity, no internet, so they had to be playing. So we saw neighbors coming together and playing. It was such a pleasure to see. So we're going to run through Siloah town and head to Balaclava. Now on our way through the town of Siloah. Ahead of us right there is the Siloah Primary School. Coming up right there on your left, just passing. Alright, so we're gonna head to Balaclava. Alright, so we're going towards Balaclava, just past the health clinic, health service center. On your left, coming up, is the primary school. Going to run through the town quickly to take a look, but as I said, not seeing much damage this side. Coming through from Tombstone, Newton, Maggotty, Vauxhall, Appleton Estate, Siloah, and now Balaclava. We're gonna head down to River after. That's the police station there on your left, the Balaclava police station. Running through the town. It's Saturday. Very after a very slow start. Guess it will probably build up by the rest of the day. Some persons are still staying in. No electricity in these areas. Alright, so that was the town of Balaclava. Alright, so we're heading towards Bridgeville now to see what's happening. Passing the Bridgeville Primary School on your left. We're gonna go through from Bridgeville out to Wilton, Gilnock main road. Going through. Alright, so we're going through River now. Based on what we have been seeing from all the places that we have visited this morning, River seemed to have gotten the most damage. On your right there, that stall roof is gone. Visited some persons just now, they lost their roof. If you look over there, that roof is gone. Over there, that's gone. So this is River proper. We're gonna go through the square and close out this store at Wilton. Going through the square now, River Square, some trees down. So River definitely the most affected from Hurricane Beryl from what we have seen so far. Alright, so that's about it for this report. It's July 6th. Wrapping up this tour. We took you from Tombstone in Lacovia through to Horton, Newton, Maggotty, Vauxhall, Appleton, Siloah, Balaclava, River, and we're heading to Wilton to close out. So based on what we have seen, River was most affected. Not much damage on the main, and remember we are giving you the report on the main. We can't go into the individual community, so it may be a different situation on the interior of these communities, but we hope we're able to give you an idea of what's happening. Alright, we're going to put some information in the description so that you can see the other videos, and if you want to assist persons, then you'll be able to do that. Alright, so this is Current Spencer for BOJ TV closing out this report. We hope to give you more, God's willing. Do remember to subscribe, hit the notification button so you can be notified when we go live or when we post a video. Alright, see you later.